Alright, so I'm up here on my buddy Sean's deck. I'm up here in Waynesville, Ohio, and I want to show you guys something that I see everybody with metal spindles, and I see a lot of people that are doing what, like sticking rebar in for spindles. And I want to show you the problem that can occur with that, right? He doesn't have the problem, but he does have part of the situation that causes the problem. Okay, so we have a wood railing system, right? We're going to stick a coating over top of this. Okay, when you guys are doing metal spindles like this, there is a bracket that is supposed to go into this hole that's drilled out, and it lips over this wood. It's a little plastic bracket. Okay, the spindle goes down into that, and the reason that bracket's supposed to be there is because it keeps water from getting down into that hole that this metal spindle is going in. Okay, what can happen if water gets down in there? Well, number one, if the protective coating wears off of this, if these are not aluminum, if they're metal, and any of that protective black coating wears off of there, rust will set in on that. This will react, the wood here will react with it, okay, and this board will start to rot. I see that often, several 40-50 times a year. I see that. Okay, secondly, if we put a coating over top of this, all right, and water starts getting down in there, what's the problem? There's nowhere for the water to escape. It's not going to come back up through the hole. Naturally, it's going to want to go with gravity and go out the bottom. Okay, the one thing that you can do to combat that is to coat the sides, coat this top area, and leave this bottom, the bottom of the 2x4, you want to leave that open, right? But a lot of people that have elevated decks, they want that bottom coated, right? So it's very important that you guys, if you're putting rebar or you're putting some type of metal, right, into your wood rail systems, and I see this is common, you need those plastic brackets that go in first to stop that water. Okay, just a tip from me to you. I preserve a lot of deck systems, I restore a lot of deck systems, and I'm telling you, it's a deal, and you need to pay attention to it. Anthony Ford with Kong Armor from Sean's house up here in Waynesville. We'll probably be restoring this deck in the spring. I'll see you guys later.